Alright, right behind Super comes Darin in. Darin, what's up, bud? I'm going to do box number 39. If you watch me open the cases on Z's break through the die, this was yours. One, two, and three. Oops. There we go. Oh, starting off with the ink driver on this one. D.A. Points, Paul Casey, Corey Pavin, dual shirt J. Haas, and Matt Kuchar, inked driver. Okay. Charlie Hoffman, Matt Avery, Raymond Felton, dual relic Hunter Mayhem, and Natalie Golbus, numbered 9 of 65. Ugliest golfer in the game. Everybody thinks she's the prettiest one.
Oh yeah, she's here.
Natalie Golbus. Gary Woodland, Christy Kerr, Colin Montgomery. Nice one here too. Tiger Woods and Payne Stewart. Relic. Shirt. And Sema Saidkar. 10 of 399. This case has been loaded with the nice relics. That'll do it there. Darin in. Appreciate it, bro. I'll get on the way. See ya.